Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to talk about a great Chrome extension that will allow you to make any website in dark mode, which is actually kind of cool. I'll show you how this works real quick. So what you want to do, I'll give you the link below. It's called dark mode for the Chrome Web Store. You click Add to Chrome. Okay. All right, so dark mode has been added to Chrome, which is kind of cool. And show you how this works here. You can go to like ebay.com. And all you do is click on currency is light, so click it dark, and voila, you have dark mode on eBay. And it doesn't stop there. You can go to like Craigslist.com, and you have a dark mode Craigslist. Because I like dark mode because it's a lot easier on my eyes, and you'll find that this is a really nice tool. Even though it will not work on all sites, it should work on most sites. Let's try a few more here. Let's go to bestbuy.com. See how it does on that site. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. So yeah, I kind of like it. Once again, I'll drop the link below. We'll try a few more websites here. Go to ESPN.com. Yeah, looks pretty good here on ESPN.com as well. And then if you want to turn it off, you can just toggle back. That's with, that's without. So I think it still looks really good. And hope you guys enjoy this little tip. And if you liked it, go ahead and like and go to subscribe for more tips. Thanks a lot. See you next time.